If you enjoy soft-boiled eggs, but find it boiling it is very inconsistent and sometimes the eggshells crack, then consider trying steaming it. I find that steaming it is more forgiving. When the water comes to a boil, place the eggs into the pot, and at 6 minutes and 40 seconds, you'll get it perfect every time. The egg white very well cooked, and the yolk quite runny. 6 minutes and 40 seconds is up. Take it off the stove and rinse it with cold water to cool off. Rinse it for about a minute, or let it sit in cold water for about a minute. So if you want to impress somebody special with soft-boiled eggs, you can try steaming them and show them how perfect every time you can get it.
So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what it looks like. The inside, I find it when I boil it, a lot of time is inconsistent. And if I want it, the yolk to be runny, and if I undercook it, the white part will be too raw. But when I steam it, I find it, the white part, the egg whites are cooked well, just leaving the yolk quite runny. So I'm going to have to open this up a little bit more and cut into it so I can show what it looks like. So now you see the white part is cooked, and the yolk is left quite runny. And if you enjoy soft-boiled eggs, I would recommend you steaming it. This is what you get. And I find it steaming it, you get it perfect every time.